whatever you have to keep the value either here and here. देखो अपना this is ax and this is a square x square means after calculating this the whole value it should come in sign. साइन में आना चाहिए तभी आपका साइन से साइन इनवर्स करेगा. सुनो इसका मतलब देखो लेट ax is equal to sin theta या cos theta आप जो भी रखें वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा. लेकिन cos theta why I cannot keep क्योंकि देखो अगर मैं cos theta रखता हूँ तो ये मेरा नहीं कटेगा. सो मुझे इसको भी देखना मतलब जो भी अब आपका देखना तो y is equal to देखो this is the sin inverse and this is 2 into in place of ax I am keeping this sin theta here and root 1 minus देखो this is the sin theta का whole square. Why? क्योंकि देखो 1 minus a square x square if that is so I can write it this a minus 1 minus ax का whole square. Square is common. So now in place of this ax now I have kept this. Okay. So now देखो y is equal to this sin inverse. Now देखो 2 sin theta and this is 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. So you have to use here ID use.
1 minus
now that is yeah. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. मतलब पूरे फॉर्मूले लिख दीजिए एग्जाम में भी और यहाँ भी प्रैक्टिस में भी
याद भी
आपको याद भी हो जाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर? सो नाउ तो y is equal to now देखो this ना तो this is sin inverse. now देखो this is 2 sin theta and it will be आपका cos square theta. am I right?
Yes.
so y is equal to देखो this is sin inverse आपका ना and this is 2 sin theta and when it will come तो cos square theta का square root means cos theta का square and it will be converted into this.
So 2 से 2 बढ़ गया.
okay. so now this is the cos theta
2 sin theta cos.
here now this is the multiple formula. so 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin
sin 2 theta.
ये देखिए. so now y is equal to sin inverse or sin 2
theta. Sin से sin cancel and 2 theta.
okay. so now y is equal to now what that is the 2 theta.
हाँ.
अब डिफरेंशिएटिंग बोथ साइड्स. अब देखो अगर गलती से आपने यहाँ लिख दिया डिफरेंशिएटिंग देखो बोथ साइड्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आप अगर x लिखेंगे
गलत हो
तो
जाएगा.
याद रखिएगा ये आपका द क्वेश्चंस दे आर बेस्ड ऑन योर इनवर्स सर्कुलर फंक्शन. सो नाउ अब आपने क्या किया व्हाट ax इज इक्वल टू आपका क्या था
sin theta.
तो थीटा इज इक्वल टू sin इनवर्स
ax.
so now is it clear? so now in place of that so 2 into sin inverse ax you will write. then you will write up differentiating both sides with respect to x. so y is equal to now 2 into okay now dy by dx equal to 2 into d by dx of sin inverse ax. and then you have to remove this now a into d by dx of
x.
आपका x.
That is one.
this is the by chain rule. is it clear?
Yes.
so now this is the to this dy by dx equal to now 2 into now in dy of dx of sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon root 1 minus x square होता है. so now here to the couple of this x is equal to आप देखिएगा ये आपका what is that that ax. so now 1 upon root a minus a square x square you is that clear? or now into a 1 into 1 dy dx of x आपका is it clear? so now dy by dx equal to this is 2 is a 2a upon root 1 minus a square x square. this is your answer.
Here mark also ends.
exactly. so now please read close this
अभी जाएंगे.
close this